Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best blender bottles that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BlenderBottle Classic Loop Top Shaker Bottle. BlenderBottle Classic Loop Top Shaker Bottle is a great choice for the ones that need something simple and inexpensive. It is a highly popular shaker bottle with a capacity of 28 ounces, and a practical stainless steel ball to make it easier to mix the protein shake. The bottle is available in over 25 colors. All of them are made from a non-toxic, BPA-free material and comes with a lifetime warranty. It has a wide mouth so that it can be easier to add mixed scoops or liquids. To prevent leaks, the top cap seals the bottle and features a small loop top to make it easier to carry. The bottle fits properly in the hand and has volume markings on the side. Last but not least, the bottle and the cap are dishwasher safe and can hold hot or warm beverages. Moving on at number 4, we have the BlenderBottle ProStak System Bottle. BlenderBottle ProStak System Bottle can save some storage space due to its design. It has a special compartment beneath the bottle that is shaped like a small cup which is screwed on. The compartment can be used to carry protein powder, pills or supplements. The bottle itself is made from a safe, non-toxic, BPA-free plastic material. It is fairly flexible so that it does not break and has a total capacity of 22 ounces. The volume markings on go up until 16 ounces. Like most other bottles, it has a stainless steel mixer ball. The top lid has a locking mechanism and seals completely the bottle. Additionally, the bottom compartment is interlocking so that more compartments can be added. At number 3, we have the Hydracup Dual Threat Shaker Bottle. Hydracup Dual Threat Shaker Bottle is yet another model with a dual chamber design. Each chamber has its own sealing lid and volume markings on the side. Basically, the bottle is split into two sides which allows the user to have two different 14 ounces shakes in one bottle. The bottle itself is made from a clear plastic material to make it easier to see the volume inside. Like most other shakers, the bottle is non-toxic and BPA-free. It can survive drops without cracking. Since it has two top caps, both have been made to provide a perfect seal in order to avoid leaks. The entire top side can be taken off so that the shaker would be easier to clean. It is machine wash safe and can even hold warm or hot beverages. At number 2, we have the Hydracup 28 ounces Dual Shaker Bottle. Hydracup Dual Shaker Bottle is a good pick for the ones that want to take the gym as seriously as possible. It has a large 28-ounce capacity, but because the bottle has a dark color, it makes it difficult to see the liquid volume inside. One thing that makes this particular shaker different is that the shaker has a dual chamber design, each split in 14 ounces. This makes it easier to prepare the shaker with 2 equal servings. The locking clips prevent both chambers from leaking liquid. The bottle itself is made from a BPA plastic. It does not break if dropped, and with the air of the rubber gasket, no liquid is leaked even when agitated. Cleaning is the same as with other shakers as it is dishwasher safe. And finally at number 1, we have the Contigo Shake Go Fit Snap Lid Shaker Bottle. Contigo Shake Go Shaker Bottle is one of the most inexpensive offerings from our selection. It is a simple shaker with a basic but functional design. The bottle is quite large but easy to carry and practical. The total capacity of the bottle is 28 ounces. It is made from a durable plastic material that is non-toxic and recyclable. For practical reasons, it uses a clear plastic so that it can be easy to see the contents inside. A useful feature is a carry on a handle for easier transportation. The top lid seals the bottle properly so that no liquid is spilled. On the side of the bottle, volume markings have been added. Also, cleaning the bottle is straightforward as both the lid and body are dishwasher safe. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.